Starbucks cup. I'm going to put on top. Shake it. Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's recipe is we are going to make our own Starbucks Dragon Keto drink. So guys, our ingredient is a mango, so I decided to use a fresh ingredients. So I'm going to use a mango, and a dragon fruit, and of course guys, I'm going to use stevia, and of course whipping cream, heavy cream. So I just use this one because it's more lighter than the heavy cream, and at the same time guys, I'm going to use the juicer. So first guys, we are going to juice our ingredients. So guys, first is I'm going to put our mango here. Sorry guys, because our camera it's not really good. I mean, I don't have space to put it more. So guys, here I'm putting our mangoes. So at the same time, I'm going to use this. So this is our juice now guys. This is our pure mango juice. So next is I'm going to take our dragon fruit. Wait, mali. Ganyan. Next is our dragon fruit. This one. So next guys is our so these are ingredients guys. Oh my god. Alright guys, so let me just assemble them. So guys, these are ingredients, are fresh ingredients. So this one is our garnish. Instead of using dry, so I get it from our real fruit. So first guys is I'm going to add the mango. So I'm going to use this one so it's not so messy. And I'm going to use this one as my shaker because I don't have a shaker guys. So let me just show you. So like this. So what I use this is one whole mango and one whole dragon fruit. And now here our dragon fruit. It's fresh. So I'm going to put all. Look at that. Look at the color. It's so good, guys. And guys, I'm going to add the heavy cream. So let me just shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Here. And this one. And guys, I'm going to add some ice. So let's taste how it tastes, if you need to add stevia or not. Actually guys, we don't really need to add stevia, but if you want, you can. So I guess I'm going to add one stevia because I love sweet. Here, one stevia. So let's just mix it, guys. There you have it, guys. And next guys is I'm going to transfer in our Starbucks cup. So guys, I'm transferring our Starbucks cup. Here you go. And I want to add more ice. There you go. Alright guys, so this is our finished product for our Starbucks dragon fruit drink. So last guys is I'm going to garnish with dragon fruit here. I'm just going to put on top because in Starbucks they have this. Since that I have the fresh one, so I'm going to add the fresh one. There you have it guys. There you have it. So easy and simple and healthy. And I have mangoes here guys. So guys, this is it. It's so simple and so easy. Simple and easy guys. So let's just shake it. And put the cover. So it feels like Starbucks. Since I always go to Starbucks, so this is it guys. There you go. It's our Keto Starbucks. See? So that's our finished product. There you go guys. So this is our finished product from our dragon fruit keto drink from Starbucks. So here you have it guys. So easy. It's so simple. There you have it guys. Yum. Alright guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. There you have it guys. Let's taste guys. Guys, you guys need to try this one. It's so yummy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye.